Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi is here. So today, can see that we have 885 million SHIBA INU on this platform right now. Okay, so and I know that majority of you might have not, claimed yours before. So if you have not claimed yours before, opportunity is still open for some days for you to be able also to claim yours as well, because some are still saying it may not legit. Okay, when we are talking about free airdrop, we just have to be keeping them. Then some are always in hurry, as if they claim the airdrop today, so by tomorrow it should turn to money and start withdrawing. No, even if you spend money on buy, if you use the money to buy that coin, you have to be patient. That is one thing about cryptocurrency. You just have to be, it needs patience. Okay, it's not something that is in hurry. So what you need to do is just to be keeping them every time, keeping them every time, keeping them every time. And that is why we are bringing airdrop to you, so that even if you don't have really money, more big money to buy cryptocurrency, so that's why doing all this research and also bringing it down to you for us to also to be claiming as we are also claiming it. Okay, so you can see this is it. So actually, I promoted it, and I also get, as I'm promoting it, I get more. As people are claiming, I'm getting more and more. So you too, if you know that you want to get more like this, you can also promote it on different platforms like Facebook, like other platforms like WhatsApp, like Telegram, and the rest. Okay, so now on today's video, I'm actually going to show you how you can claim SHIBA space. Okay, but before we go to that, you can see we have two links here. We have that of SHIBA INU that I just showed you right at the top. So the two information is going to be posted on this under the description, inside the description section under this video, and also is going to be posted in my Telegram group. So if you have not joined my Telegram group before, you can join right now and see the previous information that I've been sharing with the members there. Okay, so if you want to claim the one I've shown you before, so this is the information. So it's going to be in second step on the description below. Then the SHIBA space is what we are going to look into today and claim right away. So what you do is just to copy it. So the information, this information is going to be the first information under this video. Just check the description below, then go to, if you are in the group, of course, definitely you should know that this information is going to be posted there, right? So then what you need to do next now is just to go to your Trust wallet and make sure that you have little BNB, that is, you must have fund little BNB in your Trust wallet. As you can see that I always have fund in my Trust wallet right here. As you can see, I always have fund at least to be claiming free airdrop every time. That is why I always ask money on. And if you see every other coins there, they are free airdrop that are there. So now the next thing you're going to do now, after you copy the airdrop link, is just to come to the dApp inside your Trust wallet and click on drop. When you click on drop, then all you need to do is just to go to the search box above, right? Then you paste the link there. Okay, once you paste the link, just click on done. Okay, so, and as you can see that the link is now loading. It's now loading. You can see that it's loading. It's loading. It's loading. So why it is loading? So if you, because a lot of people do use do message me on how they can get BNB, so you can get it via P2P on Binance, and you can also contact me if I am available, any BNB available that I might want to sell, I might sell to you as well. All right, so you can just reach me through my Telegram handle. Okay, so then I can see that it has been loaded. Okay, so then the next thing you're going to do right here is just to come to this place, because you have to change that logo you have to change that logo to smart chain. You can see smart chain, that is this the second one on the list here. The second one on the list here, so the smart chain. So you change to that one, so you can see. So you have to load again, okay? So it will load again. So you just finished loading right now, and the next thing I'm gonna do now is just to come to this place and click on claim airdrop. So I click on claim airdrop. So let's see the next thing I'm gonna do. Okay, so you can see that it's loading now. The network is very bad. Let me pause it because I don't want this video to be too long to finish loading. All right, as you can see, it just finished loading, and now the next thing you're going to do is just to click on approve. All right, so it has done successfully. Then the next thing I'm not going to do right here now is just to click on this place. So it has been done already. So the next thing I'm going to do now is just to copy the contract address right here. So let me copy the contract address and come to this place. You need to back, you need to click on wallet. Then you're gonna see the two lines right here. So click on it. Then you scroll down. Then you're gonna see add custom token. Then you click on add custom token. Then you're gonna change this Ethereum to smart chain. You're gonna change it to smart chain. So click on smart chain. Then you're gonna click on paste right here. So then this one is gonna pop up. So that is it. Then the next thing you're gonna do is just to click on done. So we see how many SHIBA space that we just got right now. Okay. It means it shows that you can get it multiple times, like I always said. Okay, you can also get this free airdrop multiple times. So depending on how much that you are having on your BNB. All right, so that is what I have for you today. If you are new to this channel, please, I want you to click on the subscription button and the notification bell. So as you can see, I got 154. So it means you can also claim this token multiple times. You can see I claimed it 3 times, right? So you can also claim it multiple times. That is if you have enough BNB on your wallet. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please, I want to click on the subscription button and the notification bell so that whenever I drop a value content like this, you'll be one of those people that YouTube is going to notify that they just drop another video on this channel. All right, so thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.